Welcome back to a brand new episode of Project Trading Mastery. My name is Curtis. Today I'm going to cover two of my favorite YouTube traders and their analysis videos that they have shared with everybody for free on YouTube. It's amazing. First one is Forflies. I put it up at approximately 4 p.m. Central Standard Time on Monday, November 2nd. Okay, it's titled Bitcoin Needs to Do This. It's 20 minutes long for the whole video, worth watching. He's really good at how he breaks down charts, shows it all in his videos. Highly recommend going to watch it. I will just dive into his Bitcoin analysis. He does cover some other things as well. I'll let you know at the end of this little snippet here. He does mention the elections tomorrow. He's still in a long on Bitcoin, so he's still overall very bullish mentality. And but he said it would make sense for there to be a correction right now. Number one reason being sentiment, market sentiment. He talks about the importance. He zoomed in on a 1 hour chart, looking at a 13.2 line. And he figures that if we break that line, that we're going for a fall. And yeah, another touch on that. He says it's not a very strong line, so another retest passed into that line. He figures a big fall right there. He's not concerned about the recent dump at all. And you know, if we get a repeat of previous highs, to look for a big fall as well if we end up hitting some resistance up there. He did say, though, that if we end up going through that line, that things could move up explosively. But he said that if things get rejected at that line too hard here, we're could be moving down explosively as well. All this could happen within the next 2 days. A series of lower highs pattern could happen, he mentions, but he also says he doesn't predict the future. So yeah, anything can happen. As for what else he covers, he does cover the Ichimoku clouds, about how they, you know, there's room for the bears to move down right now, but if they don't start moving down, that within like 5-6 days, we could be having some support there. So we'll see what happens with that. He did say the daily could go down to as low as 12,000. That's the target he has in mind. All right, he does cover some altcoins as well. He covers Link, Tron, EOS, and Ethereum. Definitely go watch this whole video when you get a chance. All right, over to Stutube Trading. This is one of my new favorite channels. He released a video, it's 9 minutes and 14 seconds long. Released it at approximately 7:30 p.m. on Monday today, November 2nd. Video is titled Bitcoin Could Be Setting Up for 20K Bounce. My crypto analysis, BTC breakout any week now. He starts straight into a macro view of Bitcoin, placing emphasis on the 618 Fibonacci retracement line. All right, and about how right now we are closing beyond that. So we are closing higher than previous wicks. This is obviously a really big deal. Another thing Stu does really well in this video is he does jump onto the logarithmic chart, and he's showing what happened 4 years ago around election time and how freakishly similar things look then to how they look now. He points it out great on his chart. I won't even try to replicate it, and definitely check it out, but it is scary how similar things looked 4 years ago. And I mean, really, if it does play out the same, then things are going up for Bitcoin. All right, he does jump down to a 15-minute chart and points out a very important trend line with 4 touches on it. So he's shows that out really well. Looking for a possible move down to 13.2, potentially form like a double bottom or something down there, and bounce up and out of this triangle pattern that he has drawn out on his charts. Really a big fan of his channel, and his alerts have been fairly on the money. So worth checking out, you guys. All right, that's it. The whole plan is to keep these videos short and simple and give you guys a quick breakdown of what's going on with the YouTube traders out there. And hopefully this helps you out. Definitely watch those guys' videos later when you get a chance. And that's it.